everyone, welcome to the DevOps Planet. In this video, we will see how we can create an AWS S3 bucket and also how we can host a static website in that bucket. So for this, first log into the AWS account and in the search bar type S3. So you will see the S3 service name here. Click on this. It will redirect you to the S3 service page. So now click on create bucket. Pass the bucket name here. So the bucket name must be unique, else it will not allow us to create the bucket. So scroll down and click on create bucket. So it is giving some error. Okay, so it says that bucket name already exists. So let me pass like this. Okay, it's also exists. Let me write this. Okay, now this name is available. Click on create bucket. So our bucket creation has been completed. Now click on the bucket name. So to host the static website, by default that is disabled. First of all, we need to enable that. So here click on the properties tab. Scroll down and here you will see the static website hosting. So currently this is disabled. So click on the edit button. It is disabled. We need to click on the enable. So it supports two types of hosting. One is static website hosting and one is for the redirect request. So we are going with the static website hosting, and here we need to pass the index document for our static website. So I am passing it as index.html. Then scroll down and click on save changes. So we have enabled the static website hosting. Now let me upload an index.html file here. So click on upload button, click on add files, select the file. So I have already created one file. Click on open and upload. So it will upload one index.html file in my bucket. So the file has been updated. Now click on the close. Now to access this as a static website, we need the endpoint of that bucket. So for this, again go on the properties tab, scroll down, and in the static website hosting option, we see that we have the endpoint URL now. So click on this. So currently it is showing that access denied, because this bucket is not allowed to be accessible from the public. So for this, we need to add some permissions here. So if you click on the permission tab, so first of all, you need to block this public access. So you need to click on edit and unblock this public access. Then save changes. Type confirm here. So that rule has been updated. Now if you in the same tab scroll down and you will see a bucket policy. So here you have to write a policy to be accessed your bucket from the public network. So for this I have already written one policy. So I am copying it and updating it. Okay, click on edit. Now paste. So here you need to update the bucket name. So this is my bucket name. Pass the bucket name and click on save changes. So first of all, you need to unblock the public access and then you need to add this policy. Now let me again refresh this URL and we see that our index.html has been loaded here. So that is how we can host the public website over AWS S3 bucket. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this.